We won the award for the innovation on the turbine recovery project. In 2008, September 20th, 2008, we had a imbalance in the turbine due to a loss of some blades that caused the basically 2 million pounds that was on the actual line to vibrate severely, causing damage to various components, including our turbine itself and the turbine rotors themselves. So,
2 million pounds.
Yep, 2 million pounds traveling about 1,800 RPM. So it's about 900 miles per hour at the very outside edges. Initially, the response of the control room operators was good. They shut the reactor down safely within 5 seconds of getting the severe vibration. And we did have a good response overall from the site to recover. Now, the recovery team we put together, there's two unique challenges that we had. One was the actual turbine rotors themselves, due to the fact that were going at that speed and they're so massive, they weigh about 200 tons a piece. They caused them to bow. So and these things got to be perfectly straight when you put them in on the line. The whole line's got to be straight. So the first big challenge that's never been done in the industry is how do you straighten them? And we put a team together to figure out how we could do that, because if we couldn't straighten them, the earlier we could have got new turbine rotors delivered would be in the end of 2011. So we would have been still shut down at this point.
You're talking about potentially about a massive amount of time being offline.
Absolutely. Millions and millions of dollars to not just the AEP and the customers, but also to the nuclear industry due to the fact that we're self-insured. One of the issues we had besides the rotors was actually the foundation itself. Because of the severe vibration, we had to actually, we have these what they call lower exhaust hoods, we had to actually physically pick up. When they assemble these, when they're made, they're done in 3 pieces. So we wanted to be able to pick it all up in one piece to be able to inspect underneath and inspect. And essentially our contract folks basically walked out of the meeting when we said we wanted to pick this up in one piece. So, but our engineering staff at American Electric Power got sharpened the pencils and said, you know, we think we can do this. And we actually did. We designed a unit to be able to actually pick the lower exhaust hoods up all in one piece hydraulically, and did it safely. And a good thing we did, we found some more damage that we didn't expect. We had to go repair. And without this innovation, you're talking, they told us to get new lower exhaust hoods, you're talking approximately a year. And that's, again, we would have still been down at this point if we didn't pick them up and fix them in one piece.